Welcome to Learn in 10. Today's trick will save you from dreaded JavaScript errors. It's all about optional chaining. What is optional chaining? Have you ever faced the error cannot read property X of undefined? Optional chaining is the solution. It allows you to safely access deeply nested properties without worrying if something is undefined. Here's how it works. Imagine you have an object. To access the city safely, use optional chaining. If address is undefined, it simply returns undefined instead of throwing an error. Simple, right? Say goodbye to unnecessary error handling. Try this out and let us know your favorite JS trick in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more tips on Learn in 10.